What we've got today is a new rust removal method. This is not like my other rust removal methods with the chocolate and the tomato sauce. This is a real method. Okay, so I bought this by Built Hamber. It's called DEOX C. From all the tests I've seen online, it's better than evaporust. So this 1 kilo will do 20 kilos of water. 20 kilos of water is 20 litres. 20 litres in Americans, 5 gallons. That is 3.5 kilos of water. It would be 350 grams. That's half of the weakest strength and half of the strongest. Now you give that a mix up. And you can use this again and again and again and again until it's properly black. That I want to be cleaning. Right, fit. Go in you go. That's in. Brilliant. Some pliers. Some spanners. I mean, that one is terrible. Get that in, see what that cleans like. I've got some footprint wrenches there. There's a shiny one, well, shiny-ish. I want to see what happens to the shiny-ish one. Everything's a test. That's a bit minty. This is more tarnished than rust, but again, I want to see what it comes up like. And here's a chromed ring spanner with patches. That's actually gone clear now. That was cloudy. Now it's clear. And for displacement, get as much in there as possible. I've got these impact sockets, but they're rusty in the middles. The middles are always hard and everything's clean. So we'll chuck them in as well. And then we'll chuck in a few of these, because these are always hard with the old rust. I think at some point in this process I've got to go to work later, and these ones are, look at them, solid, manky. I think after I've been to work I'll come back, I'll take all these out and put them back in a different way around so that every point's getting covered and nothing's touching. Give that a little bit more water just to warm it up. It works better warm. So this is what's happened to the watercolour after a couple of hours. You can see the bubbles forming, the reaction starting to happen between the mixture now and the rust. Okay, so this is after 9 hours. The water's greeny. Can't remember what that one went in. Like, I'll have to look at the video on that. I'm sure it didn't go in that colour. I can remember what this went in like. This was, ooh, very rusty. Wow. I'll move everything round, just in case there's anything touching anything else. I'll take it out. It's a very acidy smell. It's not much acidy. It's like an acidy smell. It's not acidy though. Look at this. Now, they've been in exactly 24 hours. There is a tiny little bit of sludge or muck build up here. Any really hard rusty bits just need to come off with the wire brush. It is really easy and they're really clean. Oh, there we go. That is that's amazing. I can't see a single bit of rust. Brilliant. Now it's just a case of removing this tiny black coating with the wire well, and look how shiny it comes out. This spanner took about a minute start to finish. Okay, so there's 14 things here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 15 things there. It took on average 2 minutes an item to clean that to that standard. From that. I mean, to me, I know that's amazing. 15 things would normally take me. That's going to take me an hour. That's half my cleaning time, if not more. So this was everything that was in that first tub. This cost about £5 in mixture to do. I've put the same amount of rusty tools in again. It's time. I reckon it's halved, if not more, my work time. I think it's a brilliant product. This is not a sponsorship or anything, but I would recommend it. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed that, something from it. I'll be using it again. I'll definitely be buying more. Have a good evening.